practice also.
1, 2, 3.
We're down here in down Tysons, and we're celebrating a groundbreaking ceremony for the Tysons wastewater pump station. It's a 25 MGD pump station that's going to convey wastewater from as far as you can see around in Tysons into the pump station and then back up over the hill, ultimately to Nomancol.
Today, the purpose of our gathering is really to celebrate the vision of our Board of Supervisors to make it possible for us to continue our investment, hundreds of millions of dollars, into the necessary infrastructure to make sure that Fairfax County continues to be the success that we have been.
As communities emerge, they require infrastructure, and this infrastructure is going to be a key component of that to make everything work.
This is one part of the larger master plan for Tysons and the development of Tysons.
This is the type of project that not only can prepare us for the future growth and the growth that we're seeing in Tysons. You can't have that growth without the adequate infrastructure to be able to support it.
I started this project back in 2019 where we as a team, the engineering corps, got together and we realized that we needed to do something about the economic development and growth here in Tysons. And we realized that we did some studies and realized that we needed to provide adequate capacity for wastewater. But what it means to me is I see this as a crown jewel for Fairfax. I've said this a couple times before, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. In no less than about 2.5 years from now, we're going to see a beautiful building standing here. There's been a lot of time and energy with all our consultants and contractors, as well as DPWS. Our politicians, Board of Supervisors, have really helped us out to make this possible and make this come true.